Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making an amazing French crepe video. If you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and also drop a comment on this video. Let's jump right into it. These are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. So here we will be putting everything together in this blender. First, we will add our milk, melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, sugar, and salt. Then we are going to blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. Then we are going to add our flour just a little bit at a time until the batter is smooth. Now what we will do is strain the batter. Yes guys, I know it's inflation everywhere, but you can still make your loved one feel absolutely special because this meal is affordable and super delicious. No excuses. So we are going to remove just a little bit of the batter, about 1 cup, and set aside. And we're going to let the batter rest for about 1.5 hours. The beautiful thing about crepes, it can you can actually make this, guys, 2 days in advance. So there I just added some dark cocoa to the little bit that we removed. Mix until smooth, and then we are going to pour this into a little bottle here. And if you don't have this, you can use like a water bottle and bore the top of the cork, and you can use that too. Alright, so now what we will be doing is adding some melted butter to our pan here. Then we are going in with 1/2 cup of the crepe batter. Then we're going to swirl this all around gently. Here you'll know when the crepe is done, when it started to pull away from the sides, and then you go in and flip. This usually takes about a minute. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Now we're going in with our dark cocoa crepe batter. We're making this design. You can choose to make any kind of design of your choice. You can make a little heart, you can write I love you, whatever. All right, bring out that artistic ability. Awesome. Then we are going to remove from pan. Yes guys, please drop a comment on this video. Let me know what is your favorite Valentine breakfast. Perfection. Now we are going to do our eggs. I added some 1/2 and 1/2, 2 eggs, green onions, diced bacon, some smoked Gouda cheese, and we are going to pull this up and make it nice and fluffy and cheesy. Looks absolutely divine. Now I'm going to build my crepe because I wanted a savory crepe. My son, he wanted sweet crepe. So I'm going to place my eggs down, add a little bit of Vermont cheddar, and I'm going to fold this. Awesome. Then I drizzle some cream sauce right over the top. Guys, please try this one. All right. And this was his, but he had his with the Nutella. You can choose whatever filling you want to put into your crepe. All right. I do have another video, as I mentioned. The link for that will be in the description box. And these are just some of the ways you can present it to your loved ones or to yourself. All right, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. You guys have a fabulous day, fabulous Valentine's Day, even if it's with yourself. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.